Hey all, welcome to our tutorial on DayBack in Salesforce. Imagine you are running a busy sales team with meetings, demos, client calls scattered across the week. Will you feel lost while juggling these countless tasks? You are not alone. 70% of Salesforce users find it challenging to organize all these activities, streamline their scheduling, and coordinate appointments efficiently. But what if we say that it's now easier to transform your scheduling, planning, and resource management in a whole new way? Introducing DayBack, a powerful calendar tool designed to seamlessly manage time, resources, and appointments within the Salesforce environment. Whether you are a sales rep, a project manager, or a customer service agent, DayBack can revolutionize how you make the most of your precious time. Let's take a look at the key features of Salesforce DayBack. First, seamless meeting integration. Effortlessly coordinates meeting with Zoom and GoTo integrations. Second, Google Calendar integration. Sync DayBack with Google Calendars for a cross-platform schedule management. Third, customizable calendar views. Personalize your calendar with daily, weekly, or monthly views. Fourth, drag and drop functionality. Easily reschedule appointments by dragging them to a new slot. Fifth, resource allocation. Assign tasks and appointments to specific team members or resources for clarity. Sixth, streamlined workflow creation. Automate tasks within the calendar using Execute.js and buttons. Now, let's talk about how to install DayBack's package in Salesforce. Step 1. Navigate to the Salesforce App Exchange and then click View All. Step 2. Click on the Website App Exchange button. Step 3. Search the DayBack on the top of the search bar and then click on the DayBack calendar. Step 4. Proceed and then click on the Get It Now button. Step 5. Click to install with the following options. I'm using Install in this org. Step 6. Based on your requirements, click on the following option. Select Install for all users, then click Install and Done. Let's now understand how to create events, tasks, and campaigns in the DayBack calendar. Step 1. Double-click on the DayBack calendar where you want to create event, task, or a campaign. Step 2. When you click on the new event, another pop-up window will be displayed where you fill in all the details of the event. Step 3. After that, you'll give the names where it is connected to your contact and lead record and related to where it is connected to your account, campaign, product, and all the custom objects. Step 4. Next, click on the Save and Close button. Step 5. After the events, tasks, and campaigns are created, you can check this in your Salesforce org. Well, that's a wrap up on what DayBack is and how to install it package. DayBack in Salesforce is your ticket to streamline scheduling and enhance productivity. So why wait? Install the package today and streamline your workflow like never before. Want to unlock your business potential with top-notch Salesforce integration with third-party apps? Cloudnology is your go-to partner who can help you satisfy all your CRM integration, customization, and implementation needs to grow your business in countless ways.